We thank you, every one of you, who are coming in solidarity in support of democracy in Burma. As we know, military coup is made in China. So let's get loud that the Chinese people, the Chinese government hear us and the world knows that we are here. And let's get loud again. What do you want? What do you want? Save Myanmar! Save Myanmar! Stop supporting military regime! Now I'm going to read a letter addressing to the Chinese embassy. Dear Cheng Jingyi, on the behalf of the people of Myanmar residing in Melbourne, we Burma Democracy Support Network are writing to you in seeking your attention with respect to the current political development in Myanmar. Although we are ocean apart, our blood is connected. For us, it is time to express the true feeling of the people of Myanmar that has been holding for decades towards the government of the People's Republic of China. The people of Myanmar have been viewing the CCP's government as a vocal supporter of the military regime for decades, apparently ignoring the will of the people of Myanmar. Again in 2021, there are massive evidence that the military regime led by dictator Min Aung Hlaing has constant connection with your country. Plenty of flights between Rangoon and coming Khun Shui international airports and sending a lot of officials to Myanmar while the country is facing crisis, and blocking other international flights is tantamount to your support of the military coup. Non-interfering in other sovereign states has been the key principle of your foreign diplomacy for decades. Opening flights between Myanmar and China while other countries are avoiding, and the military regime not allowing flights coming in from other countries is a damning evidence of how the military regime relies on your continued support. While the military regime must fail soon, it's time for your government to build more productive relationship with the country and strongly urging the military dictator and his regime to respond to the people's will and determination before it is too late. Also, we call upon your government to acknowledge the importance of China remaining as a good neighbor to Myanmar and exerting your influence to urge dictator Min Aung Hlaing and his regime to return the power to people by releasing the president, state councillor, vice president, and hundreds of others currently being illegally detained. Supporting the will of people and their unwavering determination, the democracy is the only way for your country to earn long-lasting relationship between the two countries. Helping military regime will eventually tarnish the reputation of China in the international community and further resulting in unnecessary negative impact to your country. Thus, the people of Myanmar's diverse communities in Australia are seeking your attention over our deep concern in relation to your relationship with the military regime. We believe that you can help find the right solution the people of Myanmar are seeking. Thank you.